So step number one is go to Clickbank, and right now I am in my marketplace of Clickbank and we're gonna select a product. So we go with e-business and e-marketing is known as make money online niche. So we're gonna select a high ticket product for this video. So let's see, so we find this one first and let's see the another one. So there is only one product right now, is here is, just click this, 300 plus commission this product gives you, and let's go and let's see. So here is the sales page of this product, and there is a good offer, I know, because I promoted this offer and this offer converts really well. But first, so right now you guys must screenshot of this sales video, okay, because we need this screenshot. Once you did this, then we directly go to step number 2, and the step number 2 is you guys go to plr.com, because we just need an article right now, right? So here you guys can find every article for free, okay? In every niche you guys can see PLR article categories. You guys can find tons of articles here, like every category you guys can find here related to every categories, forex or cryptocurrency. If you guys you just name it, they have it, okay? So we are promoting affiliate offer, so you guys can see affiliate marketing. We just click this, and first of all we select the product article, and you guys can see these are the headlines of the articles, and scroll down, let's see the good one. And so I like this one, and I also like this one, but I would like to go with this one because top 3 ways to boost your affiliate commissions overnight. So this is the article. Click this, and you guys can see here is the headline, and scroll down and you guys can see this is the whole article. We just simply copy the whole article like this. Just click this and copy the whole article. Once the article is copied, and you guys can see this is 711 words of article. So this is completely free. You guys can upload everywhere where you want. So once you did this, and we go to step number 3 is docs.google.com. You guys just simply go to Google and type Google Doc. You guys can click the link, first link, and then you guys can see this page. Once you see this page, you guys can just click blank, open this, and you guys just type like this, just paste it, okay? I just literally paste, Ctrl+V, and you guys can see our whole article is here. You guys must add a headline here. You guys must add a headline, and you guys can add a screenshot of the sales page, okay? How you guys can set up, I also set up the document right here. You guys can see I also added a boost your affiliate sales. This is my headline, and here is the all article which I pasted. You guys can see I just simply add 2 images. This is a screenshot of the sales video, and here is the image I found from Google simply, and I also add a affiliate link. So I'm gonna show you how you guys can add affiliate links. So you guys just click right click here, and you guys can see link. Once you click this and just apply, paste your affiliate link and just click apply. And also I also added a call to action. You guys can see watch free training, and right click, and you guys can see link, and I also added my affiliate link here, and scroll down the same article, and I upload an image. If you guys don't know how to upload an image, you guys just click like this, and then you guys can see insert, click this and images, and upload an image. I also added sales video screenshot, and this is an image I found from Google. I just typed Clickbank sales and I found this image. It looks really good to me, and I also added this in our document. And again I call to action watch free training, and again I did the same thing, just right click link, and I also added my affiliate link, and I just big this like something. If you want to bold or non-bold, if up to you. If you guys want to change any fonts from here you guys can easily change if you want to size small or big. So like 13, 14 looks, 12 looks good, so like this. Then again scroll down, and again at the end I just again call to action, click here, watch free training. That's it. So that there, this is really easy. We created a document our, and what is our next step? We just go, you guys can see file, you guys can see, first of all you guys must see your document looks good. So this is really good. So first step is we just added our headline, then we added our whole article, you call it document, and then again first call to action, second is that call to action, then again the whole article, then again we added an image. And also you guys, if you want to add affiliate link, you guys can add it, but I didn't add here. Again I call to action, added a call to action, and last is here. Our article looks really good, oh sorry, our document looks really good. Once you did this, just then you guys just click file and scroll down, and you guys can see download. In download you guys can see PDF document. Click this and this will download it in PDF format. You guys can see right here. Once the document is downloaded, then step number 4 is you guys go to, here is this website I'm gonna show you. But first of all you guys can see this website is getting 108 million monthly visits, means this website is getting more than 100 million visits. So it's a really big website to promote our document. So click, this website is known as slideshare.net. So this website is a really big website. In this website you guys upload in documents or PDFs or presentations, stuff like this. So that's why we created a PDF format document and we will upload. So you guys can see these websites are getting a lot of views. You guys can see this getting 2.2 million views. This document gets 1.4 million, 5.5 million. So these are the lot of views, because this website is getting a lot of traffic every single month. So just click, once you came in this website, you must sign up. Once you sign up, you guys just easily click upload and select files to upload. Click this and you guys can see. So it will take few seconds. You guys must add document name, description, and add upload a thumbnail if you want. Our PDF is uploaded successfully, you guys can see, and I also added a title, description. So this is very simple and basic title: boost affiliate sales with free traffic. And here is my small description, and again call to action. This is public, we don't need to do limited or private, we just click public. You guys add 2 tags. If you want to add more tags, add more tags. You guys can go with it and click this, I'm not a robot. And the main thing is choose a category. So let's see the related category and sales, and wait a minute, businesses looks good. We just add a business and just click publish. So you guys can see our, now you guys can see, if anybody can see, they just, so you guys can see I just uploaded this document and I literally get 7 views in just like 1 minute or 2 minutes. And you guys can also see the analytics. Click this, you guys can also see the analytics. If anybody, you guys can see 7 people just see your document. I just uploaded right here just 1 minute ago and I got 7 views. And you guys can see if anybody wants to download it now, if anybody clicks watch free training, they will click and go to your sales page. And first of all I'm going to show you the analytics. Click here. If you guys start getting views, it will take some time to load up the analytics, okay? And you guys can see 7. If anybody shares, take action, views, action means if anybody downloads your ebook. And there is a social shares. If anybody share your PDF to like Facebook or LinkedIn, you guys can see from here. If anybody comments, you guys can see, but we are not want to comment anybody. And so for example, click this and let's see how many views this document gets. So you guys can see this document gets 1.4 million views. It's mean 1.4 million people download this. Okay, so this is the really cool website. I told you, I literally upload 1 minute ago and you guys can see I get 7 views, and right now you guys can see I get 13 views. In literally in front of you I start getting views with this. This is not a fake stuff. I just told you this site is getting a lot of traffic and I got 13 views. So we're gonna refresh one more time and let's see. So you guys can see in front of you, I just refresh it and I got 18 views. So this is really fast. I start getting fast views.